Today we are unboxing the Samsung Q600F Soundbar, a powerful 3.1.2 channel system built to bring Dolby Atmos, immersive sound surround and serious bass into your home. Let's see exactly what Samsung packed inside the box. Let's open the box. Everything is carefully packed to keep the system protected during transportation. First, we are lifting out the well-packed subwoofer. It has some serious weight to it, which already gives you an idea of the kind of bass performance to expect. Next, we have the accessories pack. And here is the Samsung Q600F Soundbar itself. It feels solid and well built, with a premium weight that gives it that quality soundbar feel. Now let's unveil the subwoofer. Look at how clean and classic the design is. It has a simple premium look that should blend nicely with most home entertainment setups. And here is the soundbar. Right on the soundbar you find support for Dolby Atmos, DTS Virtual and Q-Symphony. Dolby Atmos creates more immersive three-dimensional sound experience, including sound that feel like it's coming from above. DTS Virtual helps create a wider and more surround-like soundstage even without multiple speakers placed around the room. A Q-Symphony allows capable Samsung TVs and soundbar to work together, using both speakers for more immersive audio experience. Now let's check the accessories. We get a wall mounting bracket for mounting the soundbar on the wall, 2 power cables for the soundbar and the subwoofer, the remote control with batteries and HDMI cable, plus the user manual and the warranty card. For connectivity, the Q600F comes with all the essential ports. There's a digital audio in or optical, an HDMI port, HDMI to TV ARC, and a USB port. Now let's power it on. Once everything is connected, you can control the volume directly from the remote or on the soundbar, with the volume level going from 1 all the way to 100. And trust me, once you start increasing that volume, this thing gets seriously powerful. The combination of the soundbar and the wireless subwoofer delivers a big room feeling sound with deep bass and immersive sound home theater experience. So that is the unboxing of the Samsung Q600F Soundbar. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification for more TVs, soundbar and home electronics reviews and unboxings.